Hello and welcome to another video from In3D Software. Today I want to talk to you about how we can edit worktops using iXCAD. So in this video I'm going to quickly drag in a product. So I'll go to the article center in here and then go to, let's go to kitchen space, and I'll just pull through a standard one door base cabinet. And then I'll bring through another one on this side as well. And then I want to add in a worktop. So I'll go to the worktop section and click on the contiguous parts. And I've now got a top that is now spanning both of these products. And I want to extend it on the left and the right hand side. Now in this case, I've got variables in here, but I'll just manually override this and say that I want it to extend to the left 500 millimeters and to the right 500 millimeters. So now that I've got my top in place, I might want to change the actual shape of this, and I can do this in a couple of different ways. So one of the ways that I can change the shape is by selecting edges, and this will work on any part definition. Once the edges are selected, I have this option down here called contour trim functions, where I can modify a corner. I can add in a fillet corner or a chamfered symmetrical or asymmetrical corner. So in this case, I want this to be 200 millimeters by 150 millimeters, and I'm then going to get this chamfered corner detail running in here. Once I click tick, I can then do the same thing again. I'll say that I want to select edges, and I'll select these two, and this time I'll change this to now be a filleted corner, and it's going to add in a 150 fillet. I'll change this to be 100, and I've now got a radius, and I can do the same in here and select those edges here and do the same. It'll remember my setting, and I've now got this sort of shaped detail to the front of my worktop. Now another way that I can do this is by using a detail called edge to polyline. So in this case, on this back edge here, what I'm going to do is select a polyline from this corner, and I'm then able to draw using AutoCAD the shape that I want this to then follow. And then I'll select the edge, and I can then tell it to project to that edge. So that will then follow that edge around that corner. This will behave the same way as well. So in the future, I can then come in and say select the edges here, and then I can add in that radius as well if I need to, and click tick. Hope that helps. If you've got any questions, please let us know.